Hi, Blake again. Right now, I want to show you how to make a chocolate martini. There's a number of different ways to make a chocolate martini, but very importantly, I pour mine in a martini glass with this special chocolate swirl. So I've got some chocolate sauce in a squirter bottle, and I'm going to garnish the inside of the glass with a little ribbon of chocolate all the way up. Very nice. Okay, we'll garnish that with the cherry at the bottom of the glass, and we'll build our drink into a 16-ounce mixing glass full of ice. As I said, there's a number of different ways to make these. I like mine half and half with vodka and creme de cocoa, so it's a clear cocktail. I'll pour them at the same time and pull them off at the same time, aiming at 3 ounces. We'll give this a nice shake. And now we're ready to serve. And this is the perfect chocolate martini. Cheers.